Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will resolve the error. If you're encountering this issue after publishing your AgentForce agent on the community site, you are not able to see it despite following all the steps. So don't worry, we can resolve this error. How? So let's get started. First of all, go to the setup and type the domain. So go to the domain and you can copy this URL, which is a Experience Cloud Site domain. After copying this, go to the CORS settings, and in the CORS, you have to allow this site to add in the community site. So go to the new tab. Here, add the protocol like HTTPS : / and paste that URL. After this, save it. And when you will refresh this page, you will get the AgentForce agent in the community site. Here you can see there is no error, and now you are able to see your AgentForce agent. So that's how you fix this error. Thank you everyone watching this video. If you like this video, do like and subscribe and follow for more such kind of video. Thank you. Bye bye.